Hi guys, hope you well. I'm also well. My name is Caroline Kiugu and this is Carol Memo YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Today is on a Thursday night, the 5th of December 2024. Actually, I bought this minji piece at the market, 2 kg for 200 shillings. So I'm just preparing them for tomorrow. Still have a lot going on. So I'll be doing these minjis, this piece, have it boiled. We still have the maize my sister is undoing. Yeah, I think that's the plan for tonight. I still have a lot for tomorrow's preparation because I'm supposed to leave the house by 6. You know, tomorrow is waste management day. And one of the areas that we are collecting is at Cairo Technical. I know by the title of this video, you already know what's going on. Yes, I'm graduating tomorrow. So yeah, that's why my parents are here and my sister. So we had boiled more peas, but I don't think that will be enough because I'm not so sure about the number of people to come. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm just going to leave it boil as we undo the maize with my sister. Don't mind the kitchen. It's so dirty, but I know we still have a lot to do, so don't mind it. Yeah. These are black beans in here. I want to soak them so that they can be boiled easily tomorrow. What? When they are dirty, okay, we can. Yeah, I'm just going to clean these black beans and soak them. So that's why do we soak them? I'm soaking them, one, to make them easier to cook tomorrow, and also to get rid of the gas. I was told by my sister, the person behind the camera, by the director. So yeah, that's why we're going to soak it. We're going to clean it better tomorrow. Whoever will be cooking will clean them better tomorrow. So still have a lot to do for the night. I want to make tea so that one, the milk doesn't go bad. Also, to make it easier for me in the morning to just take tea and leave. Kahawa majani?
Kahawa majani.
Majani?
So long as haina tangawizi.
No, it's haina tangawizi. Eden. Let the tea cook as we finish up on the maize. It's taken a lot of work, a lot of time, and I also need to clean this kitchen before I sleep. So, yeah. Hi, good morning. Hope you're well. I'm also well. Today's on a Monday. Today's on a Friday, sorry. And it's waste management day plus the graduation day. So I want to ensure that Cairo Technical College is collected waste this morning so that the day goes on smoothly. So I'm leaving the house right now to Cairo Technical. No, I'm going to join the people collecting waste at the moment so that I can be at ease throughout during the day. So yeah, let's go.
Disclaimer, you don't want more than get on a biki. Can't you get over there? Dinner but a work and Garia. Can they tell it? Yes. Yes, can they tell it? Yes, Nani to Magirame, by the way, protocol, Nature Kiragame, who Nature Kiragani candidate and Tikire, Gina and Benedia. Yes, Nani can't do that. Zinawa Mezo, Otati Scabe to it. Nipe kanja munote nkeka honoka torudiwa kanika torudonaga torudina wakoni weta kwa unsighted nesi kune kuga kindu giko nene nura kionona fokudonaga kanika ni area ndakubereria ngagangeti. Yes, no graduate oye oye mumeamua mungraduate yo kitu iwatoke ndio.
Hi guys, today is on a Saturday, the day after the graduation. It ended, everyone has left. My sisters and cousins slept here, but they have left, so I'm just alone. And actually, I don't know if you can see how much food was left, and some of it got spoiled. Still have a lot of food left. So unorganized, but I still have a lot left from yesterday. So I'm just going to end this vlog here. It was a good day, it was a successful day and a happy day. So yeah, I'm going to end it and post it. Today I'm going to post it kinda late because it's already in the afternoon. I was so tired, I was so sleepy. I think I've slept till 1 or so. It's already, what's the time? It's already 3:30. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you for this time. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. So yeah, have a good evening if you're watching it in the evening, or a good night or good morning, depending on the time you'll be watching this video. So yeah, have a good time. Bye.